Consensus was reached at the hearing on proposed amendments to the Mohawk Council of Kahnawà's election law held on January 21st. The law will now enter the final stages of the community decision-making process in the hope that the amendments will be in place for the 2015 elections this summer. KTV was at the hearing and spoke to several participants and Trina C, who has steered the process since its inception in 2012.
Well, I was optimistic, and I'm glad that I kept up that optimism because we reached consensus on all points tonight. And now we go to the 30-day posting of the law, and then our next hearing should be held in February, and we'll do the reading. And my hope is that this law will be used in the next election.
Yes, I'm so glad that people came out a cold night, but they were aggressive and wanted it done and get it over with, put it down on paper, black and white, and it's done.
You know, from the first day we started, I knew there was a lot of work ahead of it, but I didn't think there would be this much. There's so much involved. The amount of paperwork, the amount of intense readability, and you know, there's processes coming from every angle, and I knew it would be a big job, but I didn't think it would be this big. But we've come here today and it's done. I'm going like, wow! After all that, we finally reached consensus, and you know, there'll finally be changes to the entire system, and I'm so happy. You know.
Anybody could show up. You know, there's nothing stopping anybody from showing up. I showed up. You know, it's listed on the MTK website, and I just drove over here at 6 o'clock, and we're pretty much out of here a little after 7 now. 7. So, you know, there was way more chairs. There was enough space for more people. If they didn't show up, then it's 6 o'clock at night. You know, I don't really know if you have a complaint. There's no guards here keeping you from getting in. You could get in. If you choose not to come, it's your choice.
Everybody's had an understanding of the questions that were presented, so it made things a little bit smoother. So, yeah, I mean, sometimes when I think the issues are small, they're the biggest ones. So I never underestimate the community when we talk about an issue, for sure.